Within the topic of green and clean, I proudly present to you our new bathroom cleaner. We had actually two goals by developing this product. We wanted to make it a fully sustainable product, and at the same time we wanted to improve the performance. Compared to the bathroom cleaner we already had in the market, this is actually much better performing on both limescale and soap scum. And at the same time it's fully based on natural ingredients. So therefore we reached both goals, supporting the environment and at the same time offering you a very well performing product. This bathroom cleaner is to be used on all plastic elements in your bathroom, whether it's the shower tray, your wash basin or your toilet. And it's very easy to use. Let me show you how it works. So here I have the bathroom cleaner and a piece of soft cloth. You simply spray it on the plastic elements, you wipe it with a cloth and it leaves a very nice shiny surface and a very attractive ocean breeze fragrance.